Welcome to this short presentation where we want to look at the subtraction of decimal numbers. This is very important for anyone who is writing either grade 7, be it grade 9 or 12. It lays down the foundation of mathematics. We just have to know those things. How can we subtract decimal numbers without a calculator? Alright, so we can start with the first one. 81.41 minus 78.62. How do we subtract without the use of a calculator? That's very important for us to know. Okay? So now, you see here we cannot. So we get 1. We get 1 from 8 and bring it here. And you know that it's going to become 11 at this point. Again, from this 11, we are supposed to get 1 and bring it here. Now, the one that we are getting is a 10. So this one becomes 14. Okay? Now, we still have this part here. So from this 14, we get 1. This becomes 11. So we're going to say 11 minus 2. What do we get? 9. So here we had 14. Now when we got 1 from this 14, we remain with the 13. So 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, what do we get? We're going to get 7. Now remember here, when we got that one, we brought it here, it became 11. And then we got the other 1, so we have 10. So 10 minus 8, we have 2. Then what do we have here? We got 1 from this one, so this is 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0. So we leave it at this point. This is what is going to be our answer. Okay? I hope you are able to follow. It's as simple as that. So we do the second one. This one. 149.34 minus 99.45. Let's subtract without a calculator. Okay? The same thing is what we're going to do here. Alright, but maybe just to help us achieve some concept, because we are practically going to do the same process over and over. I want us to change this. This one, let it be 6 here. Take note, let this be 6. Alright, I want this to be 6. Okay, so we can subtract now at this point. 6 minus 5, we have 1. Then 3 minus 4, you know we cannot. So we need to redo that process. Where we are saying, we're going to get 1 from this. Okay? We're going to get 1 from this 9 here. And bring it here. So it becomes 13. 13 minus 4, what do we get? 9. Point. Now, remember that here we are remaining with 8. Now, we can't subtract 9 from 8. So we have to get 1 from here and bring it here. So it will become 18. 18 minus 9, we have 9. Why did we remain with here? 13. So we can't, we remain with 3. So we can't subtract 9 from 3. So we need to get this one and bring it here so that it becomes 13. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 9, sorry. We're going to get 4. So this is what we're going to get. Alright? This is what we're going to get. This is what we are going to get. So we can do the last one. So the last one here, we have 23 minus 21, which is 21.034. Now take note, even here we need to put what? We need to say 0, 0, 0. How do we subtract? How do we subtract? These we cannot, so we just have to get a 1 from these 3. When you bring the 1 here, it becomes 10. Again from this 10 you get a 1. Here it becomes 10. Again you get a 1. Here it becomes 10. Here we have 9, we have 9. So 10 minus 4, we have 6. Here we remain with 9. 9 minus 3, it's 6. Here we remain with 9. 9 minus 0, it's 9. Point. What did we remain with here? We remain with 2. 2 minus 1, so 1. Here, 2 minus 2, it's 0. So this is what we are going to have for the first part. This is what we are going to have for the first part. Now remember, we still have addition. So we're going to say 1 plus 966 plus. Immediately after a decimal point, what do we have? We have 8. And 2 is supposed to be here. And this side, what we have? 9, 2. Here you can just put a 0. I hope that is clear. Then we add now. We are dealing with addition. We add, what do we get? 8. This is going to give us 18. 18, you write 8. We have 1.9 plus that 1, we have 10. So we can't write 10 here. Instead, we write 0. Okay? So this 2 plus the 1, we have 3. This is what we are going to get as our answer. This is what we are going to get as our answer. Alright? This is what we are going to get as our answer. So we can have 3 more as our exercise, where we have 18.34 minus 9.93. And here we can have 934.081 minus 589.582. And then the last one we can have 881 plus 334.9 minus 100.98. These are the questions that you are supposed to do just for practice. You can work them out without a calculator, but because you want to measure the accuracy of your work, you can later on confirm them without, you can later on confirm using a calculator. If the answers are different, you go through until you have the same answers. But you have to make sure that you're using the correct or the right calculator. Some calculators could be in a different mode and you're going to be doing your work over and over when it's actually the calculator that is not in the right mode. Thank you very much. Until next time.